Congratulations, it's time for your kid to level up to be forward-facing. Make sure you're following the guidelines along your car seat. This is the Graco SlimFit 3-in-1. If you did not know, there's this incredible thing that will save your car. It is a car seat protector that I found on Amazon. I'll include the link in the comments. But here's the thing. 1, flip your car seat around. 2, in the front of your car seat is also this little latch for the Graco SlimFit. What you're going to do is you're going to push the button and then adjust it to where the little icon on the side of the seat is saying 3, forward facing. Get it back into place. You are no longer going to need these little latches. And so there's a place underneath, directly under the feet, where you can actually latch it on. There's 1 latch, 2 latch. Now let me show you where the safety latch goes in the back of the car. On the back of your car seat, you're gonna have this little latch thing here. What you wanna do is you wanna take this, make sure that it's not twisted, and then put it through the neck hole of this headrest here, and then put your car seat against the back, just like that. So you're gonna take this latch, put it underneath the latch part in the back, and then you're gonna pull this up really tight. So now we're gonna take the seatbelt, we're gonna pass it through the hole in the back. There's a specific hole that you can see. There's like little arrows that say pass it through. So I'm gonna start to pass it through, and you can kind of put your hands through the car seat because there's some holes back here to help feed it along the way. There it is, I just got it. I'm gonna pull some more slack. We're gonna make sure that the seatbelt is straight and it's not turned. And then we're gonna go ahead and plug it in right here. There we go, there's the click. Next, you're going to pull a lot of the slack and then let it go. That way it's nice and tight for the kid. They're not gonna be moving forward in this. And congrats again to you. Your seat is now forward facing.